Hi, my name is Gail and this is Two Shots in a Pint. Today, I'd like to announce that I am launching a brand new segment for my YouTube channel called Uncapped. Now, the name came about when I realized that beverages can be opened in a myriad of ways. Some of them can be opened with a corkscrew, some with your hand because some of them are, screw cap bottles. Some of them come in crowns, so you need a bottle opener for that. The reason why I came up with this is that, or particular segment there, is because some people have started sending us things. One of which is NexTrade Philippines. I do apologize if I'm reading from my notes because I want to be concise, right? They got in touch with me after they read the article that I wrote for ANCX, which highlighted the 10 different beverages that I have consumed during lockdown. One of which was Good Day Peach Soju. Now, NexTrade, of course, is a company that has been importing said Soju brand. So I'm pretty excited to talk about that today. Hopefully there's some in the box. I have not fully opened the box. I've only cut it a little bit because I want to be able to spare you the agony or the misery of hearing tape being opened because it's not a pretty sound, right? So I am opening this up and checking it out for the first time, right? So, just so you know, NexTrade accepts bulk orders via the Hiyali app, and I am posting the link below, right? I'm posting all the links here, right, for their social media accounts. Now, right, so what have we got here, right? Again, I've not seen the contents. I've only ripped apart the tape. So, seaweed. Okay, so this is one of my favorite snacks on the planet. So I'm quite excited to actually have this. I'm just trying to contain myself. But a little bit of a confession. I actually learned about eating seaweed, the little seaweed squares, from my sister because she's really into K-drama. She was the first, in our family to get into K-drama. Now she's really into BTS, right? I'm not into it yet. I'm not quite there yet. Sorry, dear. But yeah, so she was the one who taught me the art of being able to eat seaweed while watching a K-drama. Now, what else do we have here? So there's two actually. So yay. I personally like consuming it with a little bit of rice. So I learned that from a K-drama as well. And I grabbed a little bit of rice using the seaweed and consuming it. It's delicious, right? So we've got almond and pretzel honey butter. Okay, so these are nuts. Okay, yum. These are one of my favorite things to chow on whenever I'm having beer, right? It's so yummy. I'm so excited. Yeah, so there's that. Wait, let me just try to make this a little bit more photograph worthy, right? So there. So we've got more crispy seaweed. By the way, there's actually a lot of health benefits to seaweed, Having said that, this one is a different format, I do believe, because it does say here you're supposed to enjoy it with rice or with instant noodles. Now, instant noodles, one of my guilty pleasures, but I rarely get to eat it anymore. Anyway, yeah, so there. So I'd love to be able to try this with cooked rice, but unfortunately today, right at this moment, because this is an unboxing video, I won't be able to get one anytime soon. But I will try a little bit of this later, just so we can get an idea what the flavor profile is. And now the good stuff, because I see lots and lots of bottles after we've got more of these, right? Yeah, we've got, okay, so I'm just gonna base it from the colors of the caps because there's a lot and I think each cap color corresponds to the same thing. All right, so we've got a Good Day Blue, right? I started with the blue one, right? So this is blueberry flavored. I've seen this before, and quite honestly, I've never gotten around to buying one for myself and trying it out because I normally like the, other flavors. But I'm gonna be excited to try this a little bit of this later. We've got, my favorite flavor, which is the peach flavor, which is the one that I actually featured on the ANCX article. Now, The reason why I like this, I'll be perfectly honest with you. When I was a kid, there was a lollipop that tasted just like this. Now, I think that this is like the adult version of what I like to consume. That's at least my opinion, right? Yeah, the way that I like consuming the peach flavor is with a, but I like having one part of this peach soju and one part of that lactobacillus drink. So that's one of my favorite things in the planet. Oh, there you go, right? So I was wondering if they had the original version. So this, I believe, is the original version, right? So I have good memories of the original version of soju. Some people, Filipinos, I'll be completely honest with you, generally are not very much into it because it's got a very particular taste to it. But how I like it, right, is with Korean food. Let me see. So we've also got Tok soda. I do believe so. It says Tok soda, right? So it says sparkling. So I'm gonna read the back because I've never seen this before in my life. These three I'm kind of familiar with. The ingredients are water, white wine, neutral alcohol, carbon dioxide, pineapple juice, passion fruit juice concentrate, orange juice concentrate. So I'm gonna read up a little bit of this later while we're chilling a few bottles, right? Because I don't like drinking my soju warm. It's too hot in this country for anything warm. So I'm gonna chill it a bit, and we're gonna try this for the first time. And in between, I'm gonna try to find out a little bit about this one, Tok soda. Right. So see you back in a bit.